once over 40 years ago on a school trip to the Natural History Museum in London. In the gift shop, they had lots of stones and crystals and things like that, and I bought my first ever stone, which is pyrite, which since then I've been fascinated by crystals and stones, and I've got hundreds of them. So pyrite, there we go. It's known as fool's gold due to its metallic brassy colour. So it's named from the Greek pyre, meaning fire, because it emits sparks when it's struck by iron. And it has been used since ancient times as a fire starting crystal. Another interesting thing about pyrite, very recent studies in eastern US have discovered that a pyrite can contain lithium. So that's a crucial element in the quest for greener energy. So I've written lots of bits down because I'll never remember it. So on the Moss hardness scale, it's a 6.5. Moss scale is from 1 to 10. 1 being talc, 10 being diamond, and basically it's a scale to see how easily or resistant it is to being scratched and stuff. So a few things about pyrite, because I'm into spiritual stuff, and I've only just found this out after all these years of having this little beaut. Yeah, typical me. So pyrite aligns with the solar plexus chakra, which is your midsection, and your sacral plexus, which is basically your belly button. It's all your lower darker colours like your reds, your oranges, yellows, and it's good for grounding you if you're feeling a bit but it's also associated with abundance and prosperity, strong protective energy against negative energies, shielding EMF effects, which is electromagnetic fields, which is your computers and your lights and all that rubbish. Confidence and overcoming challenges. It stimulates creativity and intellectual pursuits, so helps generate innovative ideas and practical solutions. So pyrite's energy can uplift your spirit, boost your self-esteem, and encourage a positive outlook, which I think we all need. And it alleviates anxiety, which I definitely need. I think loads of people need. And apparently, because some people like to wear certain crystals together because it helps, you know, do what it does. Apparently the best crystal I found to work with, to wear with pyrite is citrine. See that? It's like the orangey, because obviously it's the colour of your lower chakras. And that's a loving crystal, you know, which if you're happy, it's known as the cuddle crystal. So yeah, if you're feeling a bit down, wear one of them. And also another interesting thing I found out months and months ago, is that marcasite, which you get in rings like this one, if you can see. Try and get into focus. Yeah. So pyrite and marcasite, kind of basically the same thing, but not. They have the same chemical composition, but different structures. For years and years and years, it's very, very popular in like Victorian ages, all your marcasite jewellery and stuff like that. It is actually pyrite, it's not marcasite at all. So marcasite has a very unstable structure and is liable to crumble and break apart. And in some cases, it will react with moisture in the air to produce sulfuric acid. So for those reasons, marcasite is never, ever used in jewellery. So when it is sold as marcasite, it's actually pyrite. So yeah, pyrite is amazing. I've had this since I was a little girl and never knew of its benefits, but I'm wearing it now. And don't forget to cleanse it and charge it up and all that.